In today's video, we're going to talk about why you need an LLC for your dropshipping business. I get asked this question quite a lot. Should you open an LLC or not? So I'm here to clear all the confusion and break it down in simple terms. We'll also discuss when you should get your LLC, how to set it up, and the benefit it brings to your dropshipping business. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, what is an LLC? Now before we get into the details of why you need one, let's first make sure we're all on the same page of what an LLC actually is. Now an LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that offers you protection from personal liability. That means if your business ever faces legal issues or debts, your personal assets like your home or car are protected. It's one of the most popular business structures for dropshippers and online entrepreneurs, especially those running e-commerce stores. So why do you need an LLC for your dropshipping business? Now if you are dropshipping and you are making consistent sales, you should then consider setting up an LLC. Now one of the reasons is tax benefits. Now having an LLC can open the door to tax reductions that you wouldn't have access to as a sole proprietor. I'm talking about deducting things like business expenses, marketing costs, software subscriptions, and more. The second reason is legal protection. If something goes wrong with your business, let's say for example a customer files a lawsuit against your company, your personal assets are protected. And without an LLC, they can come after your personal belongings. However, with an LLC, they can only go after business assets. The peace of mind is invaluable to dropshippers and online business owners. Now, if you are a non-US citizen living outside the US, should you still set up an LLC? The short answer is yes. I myself have set up US-based LLCs for my dropshipping stores, and there are many reasons why. Setting up a US LLC, especially through using a company formations company, gave me access to a registered agent. That means that the company is set up with a professional US address where all my mail goes to, which the company then sends to me. This also allows my stores to look professional with a US-based address, which again is registered to my company. Now another benefit is taxes, as you can open up your LLC in certain states which give you 0% tax. So you can simply focus on the tax in the country you're operating in. You also get access to many payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, which is something that is very difficult to get in third world countries. I would highly recommend setting up an LLC for your dropshipping business if you are making consistent sales. So how do you set up an LLC? Now this is where DOOLA comes in. I have used DOOLA to set up the LLCs for all my dropshipping businesses. So what is DOOLA? DOOLA is a company that will help you set up your LLC in whichever US state you want. Once you choose any of the package DOOLA offers, you'll get a dashboard that allows you to track the whole process of you creating your LLC and getting it opened. And DOOLA makes the whole process super simple. They'll handle all your paperwork, they'll get you an EIN number, and even provide you with a registered agent service. A registered agent, as I mentioned before, is someone that can receive official mail on behalf of your business. This is super important because you don't want your home address to be public information. And DOOLA will also help you open up your business bank account too. But not only that, they'll also help with bookkeeping and filing, so you can stay on top of business requirements without getting fines from the IRS. Now I've used some companies previously to set up my LLC, and honestly they weren't as helpful as DOOLA. And when you select a package from DOOLA, they help you every step of the way and make the whole process really simple. Now if you're still unsure whether or not you're looking to set up your LLC, then I'd recommend booking in a free consultation with the DOOLA team to see if this is the right fit for you. They've worked with people from all types of businesses, especially dropshipping and e-commerce, so they have years and years of experience when it comes to helping you. This is exactly what I did when I was unsure what to do, and DOOLA is amazing because they explained everything in clear detail, which meant I knew exactly what next steps to take, and DOOLA would take care of the rest for me. So if you're looking for a reputable company to help set up your LLC, then make sure you use DOOLA by clicking my link in the description. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So is an LLC really worth it for dropshipping? Again, the answer is yes, especially if you're planning to scale, because as your business grows, you'll want the protection and tax benefits that come with having an LLC. Plus, having a formal business structure gives you credibility with suppliers, partners, and even customers. Trust me, it makes a massive difference. And having a reputable US-based company will open more and more opportunities for you. So if you're serious about building a long-term dropshipping business, getting an LLC is the right move. Again, make sure to check out DOOLA by clicking my link in the description. Now I've made over $11,000 in only 8 days dropshipping. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.